Hey guys, this is a hotel room review for the Residence Inn Clearwater, downtown Florida. So if you are interested in our stay and my review, stay tuned and keep watching. This is the entrance to the hotel. As soon as you walk in, you see this lobby. It was clean. They have this beautiful water feature, but it's pretty standard. And now for what you've been waiting for. We are in room 514. I always start with the back of the door. Please review your evacuation plan, guys. Very important. I thought this was an interesting feature. They had this really nice key hook where you can hang your keys. And that bottom space where I'm going to show you is a place for you to put your key card so you don't lose it, which is pretty nice. This kitchen area was pretty nice. I wanted to pop in to let you know that I do always check the appliances. The microwave was very clean. You could tell that it had been cleaned thoroughly, which is nice. I'm pulling open the dishwasher, another item we did not use, but it was very clean. There wasn't food or dried up residue or anything in the bottom of that, so I always check. That was really nice. Extra paper towels and a trash can down here. There also looks like there's a scrub for the pots and pans. I did a spot check on the silverware. The silverware was all clean as well. So again, making sure that they are doing a thorough job of cleaning all of the items that were located in the kitchen area for your use. The freezer and the refrigerator were thoroughly cleaned as well. They were really cold, which is a good sign. I did end up putting some candy in the freezer and it did what it was supposed to do, so I appreciate that. I circled back just to show you some dishes that are available to you when you are staying here. You have all the basics: glasses, plates, coffee cups, bowls. So pretty essential for some basic food items that you might be making while staying here. They had a 2-chair dining area. However, you could eat in the living area as well. It was pretty clean. This is the desk that came in the room, and I did end up using that to work. It did what it was supposed to do. It was nothing fancy. Pardon all of our stuff at the bottom. I'm moving over right now to the couch. That is your let out. I'm going to lift the cushion up here so you can see. You just pull that out and you're able to make up the bed. The couch itself was pretty comfortable when you're sitting on it. We did not end up letting the bed out, so I can't tell you how comfortable it was. Just painting over. The chair was a little questionable. I'm not going to lie. I did not sit in it. Pretty nice sized TV. You could tell that they had wiped it down. The remote is in plastic, letting you know that it has been sanitized. Also a nice touch for hotels during this time, showing you that the TV does swivel so that you can watch it in the living room, you can watch it from the dining area, and you also can watch it from the bed, which is fantastic. This room was dimly lit. I do not like that. I like bright lights in my bed. I like to be able to do a bed check. I look under the covers before I get in them. And I didn't feel like I had adequate lighting for that. They want you to pray. The bed was also very firm, and I did not like that either. This is a little hallway. It has your closet, all of your essentials, hangers, extra blankets. an ironing board that can be used while staying. Another nice feature of this room is that the sink is located on the outside of the bathroom area so that you can brush your teeth or do your makeup and get ready. And the other person can be in the shower or using the restroom with the door shut. So I always like that. Here are just your basic items, your soaps and lotions, shampoo and conditioner that come with the room. Nothing fancy at the residence, nothing to write home about. Just opening the drawers to show you what is in there. I would not use that blow dryer. It was kind of gross. I'm always honest in my reviews. So yeah, extra toilet paper there at the bottom. Hey guys. Here just showing you the bathroom when you come through the door. The shower area, was pretty clean. Again, very basic. Nothing to write home about. It was broken there. But it's clean. That's really all you can ask for these days, I guess. But nothing fancy. On the right, you're going to see the best part of the room, my husband. Hey, baby. Here is the breakfast area. As you can see, there's hand sanitizer out there for you to use. I did film this after breakfast, but that refrigerator contained some breakfast sandwiches that they had pre-made and wrapped. There were other items like bagels, etc. that you could make. The coffee was fresh and hot, so that was great. Coming down here, this hallway leads to the workout area. Pretty basic stuff, treadmill, elliptical, TVs for you, a yoga station, as well as a basic weight training set and TV that you could use while working out. Coming outside, just showing you the pool area. Again, pretty standard, nothing too fancy here. No one was out there because it was pretty early, but it's a really nice sized pool. I did inspect it. It was clean. So you can tell that they are taking care of it, which is always a plus. Showing you the rules. Please follow them. There was an area that was adjacent to the pool area. As you can see, it looks like a designated smoking area. They had a fire pit, which is something that I rarely see. I thought that was pretty cool. I wish I would have seen it at nighttime. And then just panning over because there was also an area for barbecues. That's all she wrote, guys. So if you are interested in where we go next or other videos on my channel, make sure you are subscribed. We'll see you soon.